We've talked about the Mars One project to send this one-way mission to Mars and create a human colony there. And now the chief of NASA, Charles Bolden, says a manned mission to Mars is necessary for our species to survive. He's putting together a 3-step plan to send humans to Mars by 2030. To achieve this, he says he put together these kind of stepping stones, and this includes lassoing an asteroid. We've talked about that on the world famous bonus show. Also about bringing the asteroid to the moon's orbit by 2015, growing plants in space using 3D printers for onboard repairs. He was speaking at the Humans to Mars Summit, and he said if this species is to survive indefinitely, we need to become a multi-planet species. We need to go to Mars, and Mars is a stepping stone to other solar systems. He was critical, or rather, he said that it is critical to these plans to get more funding from the White House. We've spoken with Neil deGrasse Tyson about the lack of funding that we're experiencing right now. This is hugely exciting, Lewis, and at the same time, my only concern is I don't want people to get so lost in the possibilities of interstellar colonization that we completely throw caring for this planet out the window, which we already know is an issue when we talk about the climate change debate.
Yeah, it's almost too late for that. I mean, I understand exactly what he's saying when he says this is necessary for human survival. I'm curious to see what happens with the NASA plan, but Mars One, of course, plans to already be on Mars by the time NASA plans on getting
Yeah,
there.
I wonder if from NASA's point of view, they just assume that Mars One is not going to make it there, or if they would see it as a potential conflict or what would eventually happen. The next 10 or 15 years could get really interesting if we do actually have multiple viable Mars trips that start to take shape.
Yeah, I'm very curious to see what happens. Of course, Mars One, that's supposed to be happening very soon. I hope everything goes well.
Our program is viewer supported. We also do a whole extra program just for our supporters called The Bonus Show. It's hosted by Lewis. Go to davidpakman.com/membership to sign up today.